Binge eating can feel like an overwhelming cycle, leaving many feeling trapped and frustrated. If you've ever found yourself reaching for that extra slice of cake or finishing an entire bag of chips in one sitting, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of binge eating and exploring effective strategies to help you regain control. We'll uncover the top 10 tips and tricks that can empower you to break free from this pattern and foster a healthier relationship with food. From practical techniques to mindset shifts, each tip is designed to provide you with actionable steps that can lead to lasting change. Whether you're looking to manage emotional eating or simply want to cultivate mindful habits, this video is packed with insights that can transform your approach to food. So, stick around as we reveal these essential tips that can help you overcome binge eating and embrace a more balanced lifestyle. Number 10. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises are a simple yet effective way to manage stress, making them a great starting point for anyone looking to regain calm. This technique involves inhaling deeply through the nose, holding for a moment, and exhaling slowly through the mouth. It ranks at number 10 because while it's accessible and can be done anywhere, its effects may be subtle compared to more active stress management techniques. Deep breathing helps lower heart rate and reduce anxiety, but it may not address the root causes of stress as effectively as higher-ranked methods. Unlike physical activities or mindfulness practices, deep breathing is often seen as a quick fix rather than a comprehensive solution. However, it serves as a foundational practice that can be easily integrated into daily routines, making it an excellent entry point for those new to stress management. As we move up the list, you'll discover techniques that build on this foundation, offering more dynamic and engaging ways to tackle stress head-on. Number 9. Focus on portion control. Focusing on portion control is a vital strategy for managing stress and maintaining a balanced diet. This technique involves being mindful of serving sizes and understanding the appropriate amounts of food to consume, which can help prevent overeating and promote healthier eating habits. It ranks at number 9 because, while it's effective in curbing excessive calorie intake, it requires a level of discipline and awareness that can be challenging for many. Unlike more holistic approaches, portion control often emphasizes restriction, which may lead to feelings of deprivation if not balanced with enjoyment. However, it stands out for its practicality. Using smaller plates or measuring servings can create a visual cue that encourages moderation. As we ascend the list, you'll encounter strategies that not only focus on quantity, but also enhance the overall eating experience, integrating mindfulness and enjoyment into the process. Portion control lays the groundwork for healthier habits, but higher-ranked techniques will offer a more comprehensive approach to stress management and emotional well-being. Number 8. Engage in physical activity. Engaging in physical activity is a powerful tool for managing stress, ranking at number 8 for its ability to boost mood and enhance overall well-being. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or a high-intensity workout, moving your body releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers. This technique stands out for its dual benefits. Not only does it combat stress, but it also promotes physical health. However, it ranks lower on the list because it requires a commitment to regularity and can be daunting for those who are not accustomed to exercise. Unlike more passive techniques, physical activity demands effort and motivation, which can be a barrier for some. As we progress to higher-ranked strategies, you'll discover methods that incorporate movement in a more enjoyable and less intimidating way, blending physical activity with mindfulness and social connection. While engaging in physical activity is essential for stress relief, the upcoming techniques will offer a more holistic approach to achieving balance and tranquility in your life. Number 7. Seek support from others. Seeking support from others is a crucial aspect of stress management, ranking at number 7 for its profound impact on emotional well-being. This technique involves reaching out to friends, family, or support groups to share feelings and experiences, fostering a sense of connection and understanding. The unique strength of this approach lies in its ability to provide perspective and reassurance, reminding individuals that they are not alone in their struggles. However, it ranks lower on the list because it requires vulnerability and the willingness to open up, which can be challenging for some. Unlike self-directed techniques, seeking support relies on external validation and empathy, which may not always be readily available. As we move up the rankings, you'll encounter strategies that not only encourage connection, but also empower individuals to take proactive steps in their stress management journey. While seeking support is invaluable, the higher-ranked techniques will offer more structured ways to cultivate resilience and foster a deeper sense of community in the face of stress. Number 6. Incorporate healthy snacks. Incorporating healthy snacks into your daily routine is a smart strategy for managing stress, ranking at number 6 for its ability to stabilize energy levels and curb cravings. This technique emphasizes the importance of choosing nutrient-dense options like fruits, nuts, and yogurt, which not only nourish the body but also support mental clarity. The unique advantage of healthy snacking lies in its preventive nature. By keeping hunger at bay, it reduces the likelihood of binge eating or unhealthy food choices during stressful moments. However, it ranks lower on the list because it requires planning and mindfulness, which can be overlooked in busy lifestyles. Unlike higher-ranked techniques that focus on immediate stress relief, healthy snacking is more about long-term wellness and balance. As we progress to the top strategies, you'll discover methods that combine nutrition with emotional support and mindfulness, creating a more comprehensive approach to stress management. While incorporating healthy snacks is essential for maintaining energy and focus, the upcoming techniques will delve deeper into the emotional aspects of managing stress effectively. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is a fundamental yet often overlooked aspect of stress management, ranking at number 5 for its critical role in maintaining both physical and mental health. Proper hydration enhances cognitive function, regulates mood, and helps the body cope with stress more effectively. Water acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins and preventing fatigue, which can exacerbate feelings of stress. The unique feature of this technique is its simplicity. Drinking enough water throughout the day can be easily integrated into any routine. However, it ranks lower on the list because the effects of hydration may not be immediately noticeable, making it easy to neglect. Unlike higher-ranked strategies that provide instant relief or emotional support, staying hydrated is more about sustaining overall well-being. As we move up the rankings, you'll encounter techniques that not only focus on physical health, but also address emotional resilience and stress relief in more dynamic ways. While staying hydrated is essential for optimal functioning, the upcoming strategies will offer a more holistic approach to managing stress effectively. Number 4. Identify triggers. Identifying triggers is a crucial step in managing stress, ranking at number 4 for its empowering ability to help individuals understand the root causes of their emotional responses. This technique involves recognizing specific situations, feelings, or environments that lead to stress or unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as binge eating. By pinpointing these triggers, individuals can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them more effectively. The unique strength of this approach lies in its proactive nature. It encourages self-awareness and reflection, allowing for more informed choices in stressful situations. However, it ranks lower on the list because it requires time and introspection, which can be challenging for those who are not accustomed to self-examination. Unlike higher-ranked techniques that provide immediate relief, identifying triggers is a foundational skill that sets the stage for more advanced coping strategies. As we progress to the top strategies, you'll discover methods that build on this awareness, offering practical tools to navigate stress with confidence and resilience. While identifying triggers is essential for understanding stress, the upcoming techniques will enhance your ability to respond effectively in challenging situations. Number 3, establish regular meal times. Establishing regular meal times is a vital strategy for managing stress, ranking at number 3 for its ability to create structure and predictability in daily life. This technique involves setting specific times for meals, which helps regulate hunger and prevents impulsive eating. By adhering to a consistent schedule, individuals can foster a sense of control over their eating habits, reducing the likelihood of binge eating during stressful moments. The unique advantage of this approach is its simplicity. It requires minimal effort, yet yields significant benefits in terms of emotional stability and physical health. However, it ranks just below the top two techniques because it may not address the emotional aspects of stress as directly as higher-ranked methods. Unlike those strategies that focus on immediate coping mechanisms, establishing regular mealtimes lays a solid foundation for healthier eating patterns. As we move closer to the top strategies, you'll discover techniques that not only enhance structure, but also integrate mindfulness and emotional awareness, creating a more comprehensive approach to stress management. While regular mealtimes are essential for balance, the upcoming strategies will elevate your ability to navigate stress with greater ease. Number 2. Keep a food journal. Keeping a food journal is an incredibly effective technique for managing stress, ranking at number 2 for its ability to enhance self-awareness and accountability. This practice involves documenting everything you eat and drink, along with your emotions and hunger levels throughout the day. By tracking these patterns, individuals can identify emotional triggers and recognize how certain foods impact their mood and stress levels. The unique strength of this approach lies in its reflective nature. It encourages mindfulness and helps individuals develop a deeper understanding of their eating habits. However, it ranks just below the top technique because it requires commitment and honesty, which can be challenging for some. Unlike the top-ranked strategy that offers immediate emotional relief, keeping a food journal is more about long-term growth and insight. As we approach the pinnacle of stress management techniques, you'll discover methods that not only build on this self-awareness, but also provide actionable steps to transform your relationship with food. While a food journal is essential for understanding your eating patterns, the upcoming strategy will elevate your ability to cope with stress in a more holistic manner. Number 1. Practice mindful eating. Practicing mindful eating is the top-ranked technique for managing stress, celebrated for its transformative power in fostering a healthier relationship with food. This approach encourages individuals to fully engage with their eating experience by paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of their meals, as well as their hunger and satiety cues. The unique attribute of mindful eating is its emphasis on presence. It invites individuals to slow down and savor each bite, which can significantly reduce emotional eating and binge behaviors. Unlike other strategies that focus on external factors or rigid structures, mindful eating nurtures an internal awareness that promotes emotional well-being and satisfaction. It ranks above all other techniques because it not only addresses the immediate act of eating, but also cultivates a deeper understanding of one's emotional triggers and responses. As we've explored various methods to manage stress, practicing mindful eating stands out as a holistic approach that integrates mindfulness, self-awareness, and enjoyment, ultimately empowering individuals to navigate stress with grace and resilience. This foundational practice paves the way for lasting change in both eating habits and emotional health. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored the top 10 tips and tricks to overcome binge eating, providing you with a comprehensive toolkit to foster a healthier relationship with food. We began with deep breathing exercises at number 10, followed by focusing on portion control, engaging in physical activity, seeking support from others, incorporating healthy snacks, staying hydrated, identifying triggers, establishing regular meal times, keeping a food journal, and finally, practicing mindful eating as our top-ranked strategy. Each of these techniques offers unique benefits, empowering you to take control of your eating habits and emotional well-being. We encourage you to delve deeper into these strategies and find what resonates with you. Remember, overcoming binge eating is a journey, and every small step counts. By implementing these tips, you can cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling approach to food. Take action today. Embrace these practices and start your path toward a healthier, happier you. Your relationship with food can transform, and it all begins with the choices you make.